Hi everyone, I am Jolie, one of the librarians here at the West Bloomfield Township Public Library. Today I was wanting to just give a quick tutorial on one of the streaming video services that the library offers called Kanopy. Using your West Bloomfield Library card will give you free access to thousands of movies, great courses, and other film and TV series on the Kanopy service. So I'm going to get started just with the basics here of creating an account. So you'll want to start at the library website. Click on the e-library tab kind of up towards the top center here. And then scroll down, and under e-video and TV, you will see Kanopy listed. Click on that, or you can go directly to kanopy.com, Kanopy.com. Click on the Get Started button. You want to click Find Your Library under the Public Library option. And if it knows kind of the general area of where you are, it might suggest the library to you. If it doesn't, just start typing West Bloomfield Township Public Library in this top search box and it will come up. So once you have that, you'll click on the library, and then you'll click it a second time to select the library. At this point, you will enter your full library card number without the spaces and click continue. Because I already have my account set up, unfortunately, it won't let me do this part. So we'll just have to use your imagination with me here. After you click continue, the next screen will ask for your first and last name, email address, and you will create a password for your login. And then once you've entered those fields, you will be all set up to use the Kanopy service. I'm going to hop over here and click log into my account. And then when you log into Kanopy, you will come to this kind of main welcome screen here. At the top will be a scrolling bar of featured items. If you don't want to wait for it to scroll, you can click to fast forward. Generally, depending on the month, they will have, like for March, they have Women's History. For February, they had Black History Month. So they also have current events and different new items at the top here. And then if you scroll along, you'll see different categories. So they have newly added movies, documentaries, world cinema series. My personal favorite is Leaving This Month. These are all the items that will no longer be on Kanopy after the end of this month. So it's a good way to catch anything that you want to watch that's about to be removed from the service. It's hard to see here, but at the end there is a little arrow. If you click that arrow, it will give you more titles in each category. You can also click on the heading, and that will take you to a full list of all of the titles, all of the films in each section. You can narrow it down. Let's say you just want to see comedy, and let's say you if you click on features, it will give you different actors and actresses. You can also look at the filmmakers or languages. So let's say we want to watch this one. So we're going to click on it. To watch the title, all you do is click this little play icon in the center here. Once you've hit play, it will give you options for volume. You can increase or decrease the playback speed. You can also turn captions on or off. You can go into full screen mode. And then also at the bottom, it will give you the runtime, the year, the filmmakers, more information, and then also a little summary of the movie. So going back, we just go back to the main page here. If you also scroll down almost to the bottom of the page, taking a second to load here. There we go. Okay, so if you keep going almost to the bottom, it's going to keep loading more and more and more. And then you will see new from the great courses. So these are different classes. You can see they have zoology, cooking basics, some essential guide to Italy. So they have travel, philosophy and physics. They have all sorts of stuff. So if you wanted to watch more of a not so much a documentary, but learn something. These are great different courses that are offered through Canopy, and you can see that they just go on and on. And these are just the new ones, so they do have many more. If you continue to scroll, you eventually will run into them. You can also click the browse button at the top here, and it will give you different subjects, different genres. You can also, let's say you just wanted to see world cinema, classic cinema. So it really breaks it down a lot of different ways for you to browse the different items. You can also install, if you have a smartphone or tablet, you can install the Canopy app and log in to the Canopy app. And then if you have a smart TV or a Chromecast, you can use those to broadcast Canopy to your television as well. So there really are a lot of options, viewing options, when it comes to streaming items on Canopy. So that's just kind of a quick little overview on how to get your account set up and how to browse the different items on Canopy. As always, if you have any questions or issues, if you go to the website and use this little contact us tab, you can give us a call, you can start a chat, text message, or email us for assistance. I hope that was helpful, and I hope everyone has a great day. Bye-bye.